A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings. I wonder why the man did ask Jesus, so which law are the most important one? I wonder if a kind want to choose which one to obey and which one not to obey. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop a comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And you click the subscribe button yet? If you not do it yet, just do it now. And go and click the notification bell too, to make sure so you no miss none of what I go on. Right here so. Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as come to Mark chapter 12 from verse 28 to verse 34. One law teacher come and hear Jesus and the Sadducee them argue. When he said Jesus give them one good answer, him ask Jesus say, out of all of the law them where God say we for follow, which one are the most important one? Jesus answer him say, the most important law are this. People of Israel, listen. The Lord we are fear God, him are one. You feel love the Lord where your God. You feel love him with all of your heart. You feel love him with all of your soul. You feel love him with all of your mind. And you feel love him with all of your strength. The second most important law are this. You feel love your neighbor, same like how you love yourself. No other law no more important like them two ya. The law teacher said to him, say, a true thing that teacher. You're right for say uncle one God there. And that no other God know the boat. Uncle him. And you're right for say the most important law of to follow him with all of your heart, with all of your mind, and with all of your strength. And you feel love your neighbor, same like how you love yourself. You're right for say them two law more important than when somebody burn sacrifice give God or give up offering. When Jesus say the man give an answer will make sense, him say to him say, you know the far from God kingdom. After that, nobody else never even think to ask him no more question. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.